Nearly 31 inches of snow fell in Stonington, Connecticut. This was from a mega heavy snow band that ended up bringing record amounts of snow to Rhode Island, breaking the previous record that was set in the blizzard of 78, which is absolutely wild. Here in Connecticut, we ended up seeing anywhere generally between a foot to as much as 2 feet of snow. But again, there were some higher amounts in eastern Connecticut, and there were some slightly lower amounts too, especially in the northern Connecticut River Valley up through parts of northeastern Litchfield County as well. Either way, this is backbreaking stuff. It's heavy, it's wet, it's really tough to move. So make sure you're taking frequent breaks. Now the snow is moving out, but the challenge is really just going to continue to be the cleanup. Again, especially in areas that saw 2 feet of snow or more. Those drifts are absolutely wild. And while there could be a little bit of melting in the days ahead, there's not a lot of help from Mother Nature.